Good evening, ma. So today we are going to discuss a topic related to the linked digits that will be going to helpful in analyzing the tables. So basically, in every school or every college, people will suffer with the calculations part. Okay. Today what we do na, how to avoid that calculation part without any fear. Okay, got it? Bayam lekunda how to do calculations. Okay, that is the main motto of this session. Okay, understand? That is the main motto of this session. See, basically the calculations depends on the tables. Tables depends on the digits, but you have to understand the link between the digits. Is it okay? The face is okay, na everyone? So if you understand the link between the digits, then that is very useful in understanding the tables. So for this, what you have to do is you have to analyze the comparison between the digits. The comparison between the digits starts with the linking the digits. How to link the digits I will explain today. Okay. So the concept of linked digits. Today we are going to discuss the concept of linked digits. See, whenever you are doing calculations, there are logical ways and way of doing the calculations. If somebody asks you to do the answer, what is the sum from 1 to 10? What is the sum from 1 to 10? Definitely there will be an answer like this: 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, up to 10. Is it okay? This is what the traditional way of doing the answer. But what is the logical way and application way means? This belongs to the sum of the first n natural numbers. So here how many natural numbers are there? 10 is there. So we consider 10 as n. So if n is 10, the formula we will do is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is 10 into 11 by 2. So answer is 55. This is the way. And the traditional way, definitely it will take time. Am I right or not? But application way, it is very useful, but only for those who know the application and who know the formula. But the thing is, if you don't know the formula or if you forgot the formula, then again it will be a drastic problem will come. Okay. So when you forgot the formula as well, even though if you don't apply traditional way, you must have some logical common sense of doing the problems. For example, including in all the 10 digits, if I consider apart from 10, I will consider 1 and 9. 1 and 9, how much it is? 10. And 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. So this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, and this is also 10, and the only digit that is remaining is 5. So how many tens are there? 5 tens. 5 tens is what? 50 plus 5. You got the same answer, na? So without pen and paper, you can easily analyze in that way. The answer is 55. This is what the common sense thing. So this is the way of learning. Definitely that is going to help you in teaching the things and also in analyzing things, when doing the problems. Are you okay with it? And now what it is going to helpful in whereas subtractions, multiplications as well. Generally whenever we are doing the subtractions, we will face lot of problems. Why? Because in subtractions borrowing will come. So that's why we will suffer with the problems. So to avoid the borrowing, see, as here we avoid the in addition we avoid the counting. In addition we avoid the counting. In the same way you can avoid the borrowing as well. How to do that? Let me explain. See, for example, what is 3 minus 1? 2. What is 1 minus 3? So minus 2. Everyone knows that. But if one digit is there, for example 2, 3, 1, whatever it may be. If 11 is there, 11 minus 3 is, 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. So instead of telling 8, we know 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 in the means if you 1 minus 3 it's not possible. So 3 minus 3 is 2. What is the linking number for 2? 8. So directly answer is 8. That means, for example, 11 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2, answer 8. For example, 12 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 linked number, 7 is the answer. 13 minus 7, so 7 minus 3 is how much? 4, linked number, 6 is the answer. Everyone got the logic? See, for example, if 18 minus 9 is there, so 9 minus 8 is how much? 1. 1 linked number is what? 9. This you can implement in any subtraction. You can take any numbers. It's not not single digit or whatever it may be. See, whenever you are doing direct, you are subtracting directly, then there is no problem. If you are not subtracting directly, you are taking in the reverse way, then definitely you are, that means you are borrowing. So you have to reduce one digit from the previous one. Got it? See, now consider this is the one. 238 minus 159. So is it possible? No, it won't. So 9 minus 8 is how much? 1. What is the Lincoln number for 1? 9. Here it is 2. 2 minus 5 is how much? It's not possible. 5 minus 2? 3. Linked digit is 7. Now here 1. 1 gets cancelled. So answer is 7. Got the point? This is where you can subtract the things easily without borrowing. So now we learn what? Additions without counting, and also we learn subtractions without borrowing. In the similar lines, we will do the multiplications as well. How to do multiplications without tables? Till now, many people will suffer multiplications because they don't know the tables. But my way of answering the question for tables is, first of all, understand the flow. What is happening with the tables that you already know. For example, how many of you know 2 table? Is it easy or difficult? Everybody know na 2 table. So my question is, what is 2 into 3? What is 2 into 4? 8. What is 2 into 1? What is 2 into 2? 4. Okay. Is there any difficulty? Now my question is, what is 2 into 2143? Definitely you will feel a little bit of difficulty over here. Nothing to do. 2 already we know 2 2's what? 4. 2 1's also we know 2. 2 4's also 8. 2 3 also 6. This is the answer for the same. So this is what we call as a flow method. How it is happening here? See, we are considering 2 2's. This is the first step, second step, third step, and the fourth step. You can apply, if it is 2, you can apply this. If it is 3 also, you can apply this. You can 4 also, you can apply. 5 also. That means if you know only 10 tables, you can do any sort of multiplications. Got the point? For example, in the same pattern, if I am applying the same thing, instead of 2, if I write 7 here, listen carefully. What is 7 2's? 14. So what is 7 1's? 7. What is 7 4's? Here only one digit is there. So 28, we can't write 28 over here because we are writing 2 digits. That's why we will write only 8 and 2 will write upon 7. Why? Because definitely it carries na after 10. So now what is 7 3 is how much? 21. So I can write 20. The answer is what? 1, 10. Again 7, Lincoln number 3, 10. So 5 and 1. You can apply these Lincoln numbers in additions, subtractions, multiplications as well. Even if it is a 2 digit also, no need to worry, you can apply the same logic. How we can apply? For example, 11. Because we know the 11 table very easily, that's why you are applying this. 11 into 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. What is 11 3's? 33. What is 11 4's? 44. What is 11 5's? 55. What is 11 6's? 66. What is 11 8's? 88. So answer 8. Lincoln number for 8 is 2, extra 1 here. So carry 1 is there. 6 Lincoln number 4, extra 2 is there, carry is there. So Lincoln number 10, 4, 4, 8, 3 is the answer. Okay, got the point? But the question is, here 11, we know the table. But sometimes here we will get the digits that we don't know. For example, 23 is there. Here 231 is there. Then the problems, because we don't know 23 table. Na? There the problem arises. At that time you have to apply the reverse flow. The first step is 23 into 2, but you don't know 23 table. But you know 2 table, na, everyone. So apply the logic, that's all. 2 into 23. 2 2's how much? 4. 2 3's 6. So answer here is 46. Now 23 3's, 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 69. 23 1's 2, 3, so 23. So answer is 3 and 9 to 11, 6 to 12, 35. So with this, if you know minimum knowledge of the 10 tables, at least 10 tables. Even though if you don't know 10 tables also, don't worry. If you know tables, if you know numbers, that's enough. Why? Because if you know 2 table and 3 table, if you multiply 2 times and 3 times, you will get 6 table. If you know 4 table, if you time 2 times, you will get 8 table. If you know 3 table, if you multiply 3 times, you will get 9 table also. So there is no need to learn tables, but you have to practice how to do the tables. That is very important. As far as this session is concerned, coming to the point to the linked digits, we are doing additions without counting, subtractions without borrowing, and multiplications without tables. Okay. Do you have any doubts regarding the same? Even 2 digit, 3 digit, whatever it may be, you can do it. Even squares also you can do, cubes also you can do. So the learning of multiplication with this, I will show how to do with 3 digits as well. See, 121 into 121 square we are doing here. How to do? Very simple. Consider entire 121 is one group. 121 ones is how much? 121. And 121 2 you don't know, but it is 242 only na. So apply the same 242. Again 121 once, 121. So what is the square of 121? 14641. So that means you can squares, cubes, you can easily solve based on the logics. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. Thank you so much, ma. And next topic definitely we will do divisions without braces.